Alrighty, welcome to our next tutorial. This one's on the subject of Quicktime Player, which is the application I use to capture my wonderful tutorial screens. Let's get started. First of all, you'll want to go down into the Launchpad, single click, up to System Utilities, and then you want to go to Quicktime Player, which is this little thing right here. Click and drag so you can drag it down into your start menu. It still exists in the system utilities if you look right here. Still right there. But this just makes it easier for later. So you'll want to go into the player. And it doesn't look like it does anything right away. You'll want to go up to File, and then Create New Screen Recording. Now it's not allowing me to do this right now because I'm actually using the program. But as an example, here's what it looks like. This is the screen you will see first. And you'll want to make sure when you do any screen recording to turn your volume all the way down on the app itself. That way, if you have it turned up, you will get a feedback sound, and your microphone won't like it, and your speakers really won't like it either. So, you'll notice a little tiny arrow off to that points down to the right side of the record button. When you click that, this is what you'll see. You'll want to make sure that the internal microphone is turned on, and show mouse clicks in recording is also turned on. This will help to show where you click the mouse for when a user is interacting with your video. Once you push that little red record button, this will pop up into the center of your screen. It says, click to record the full screen. It also shows this little thing right here. It's a little record button. It looks grayed out prior to me opening this program. Right now, being that I'm using the program, it's very bold-faced and I can't miss it on my screen. So like these instructions say, a single click on the desktop will enable you to be able to record. This will turn to black, more pronounced than it was, and that means you are recording. Now, if you want to select and record a small area of your screen, you can click and drag like you would with selecting multiple items, and it'll only record that small portion. Unfortunately, I can't show you either of these because I'm using the program and can't take a picture of that while doing it. But I'm recording now. You can see the program is running, and that's about it. Have a nice day. And I'm going to